vertically, but actually action position you have to lay in window. This is called revolving branch. Revolving branch is used only where we cannot see the seat of fire. Originally by plate, horizontal, 100 plate. It extinguishes fire. 100 square meters area within 1 minute. If another 1 minute we continue, another 100 meters. Like that within 5 minutes, entire one floor can be extinguished. Electrical motors, electrical conductors,